Hi guys, this is Samsudin E. Kasura, and today I will teach you how to add or insert a section breaks in a Microsoft Word document. In adding or inserting section breaks in a document, you can change the layout or formatting of a page or pages in your document. For example, you can lay out part of a single column as two columns. You can separate the chapters in your document so that the page numbering for each chapters begins at 1. You can also create a different headers or footers of a section in your document. To insert a section break on a document, there are few simple steps to do so. But before that, you might select this symbol, a formatting symbol, so that you can determine where you put the section break. The first step in adding or inserting a section break in a document is to select the portion where you put your section break. Then go to the page layout tab. In the page setup group, click bricks. In the section break group, click the type of section break that you want or fit to your document. If you select next page, you can start a new section on the next page, and you can even change its format. You can double its columns. You can change its margin into narrow, but in the upper hand will not be affected. I will just put it back the way it is, and if you wanted to erase or delete the section break, there are also two very simple steps. First, click the section break that you wanted to delete and press delete. You can see that the section break is now deleted, and there are also two tips I want you to know. First, a section break controls the section formatting of the text that precedes it. When you delete a section break, you also delete the section formatting of the text before the break. That text becomes part of the following section, and it assumes the formatting of that section. For example, if you separate the chapters of a document using a section break, and then you deleted the section break at the beginning of chapter 2, chapter 1 and chapter 2 will be in this same section, and assume that the format of chapter 1 before will be not the same, and will be changed in formatting of chapter 2. And second is that the section break that controls the formatting of the last part of your document is not shown as part of the document. Those are the two important tips I want you to know. And that's all, and thank you.